Welcome to Savyavasa's latest construction update. Join us as we take a closer look at the significant progress being made on site. With the second half of the year coming, a more polished essence begins to unfold. The basement lobby works at all towers have now reached completion, revealing spaces that feel both grounded and elevated. At the ground floor, marble installations on the walls have reached a significant midpoint in development, reflecting our enduring commitment to delivering excellence, both in experience and execution. Outdoors, the replanting of mature trees is steadily bringing the landscape to life. This foundation of lush greenery is a testament to our commitment to grow a living ecosystem in the city for generations to come. As natural stone reaches its halfway mark, the lap pool and leisure pool start to reflect the serene atmosphere they're designed for, where calm, clarity, and design flow effortlessly together. Across all towers, the basement parking areas have now progressed through half of their construction phase. These foundational spaces are shaped with the same care and precision, ensuring both function and flow are seamlessly integrated beneath the living environment above. Savyavasa, your future home in timeless luxury, ready for handover in 2025. Developed by JSI Group and Swire Properties, construction led by Taisei CSC.